Today, room dividers have become the replacement for a brick walls. So there are some benefits of room divider, like it is space utilization. It can efficiently utilize space for privacy or break up a room into two or more in case for the studio apartments. Room dividers can be used in a library room or in a hall. It is big for privacy or to compartmentalize a large portion of the sections for better readability. Another advantage, it is replaceable because brick walls to tend to make more space, which further creates issue while replacing them. But room dividers have no such issues. They can be easily replaced by a new or one without any space issues. Another advantage, it is functional and completely mobile. Room dividers have multiple applications, are far more functional than the basic brick walls. The major advantage being completely mobile because room dividers can be easily moved from one place to another without any hassles. Just they have to move or it can be folded and can comfortably sit in your closet or storeroom when no needed. Another advantage is affordable, cost effective. Room dividers are affordable and are cost effective as compared to the brick walls. Room dividers come in a variety of materials, but wood dividers prefer with other because it looks more beautiful and different styles. But the choice totally depend on your budget and the applications. Another advantage of room dividers with wooden, it is extensible because facing issues while extending that brick walls as little as inch more, just have the brick walls replaced with other room dividers. Room dividers come in a standard panels that can be extended as per your need. Moreover, the panels can be folded together as per the space requirement and even can be removed from the lot to reduce the size. For a little more stability, you may add small stands at the base in order to have the room divider stand straight without falling. Another advantage, it is durable and lightweight. Room dividers are made in materials that are durable and lightweight, thus making them desirable. Being lightweight, room dividers can be easily carried from one place to another. The durability and actual weight varies with the material used in making room dividers. Designs and shades availability. Room dividers are available in a variety of designs and shades. This makes them apart from almost any type of interiors, be it is a modern loft or a traditional home with traditional seating. It is trouble-free maintenance. It is a maintenance that you keeps you awake at night when it comes to cleaning and maintaining the brick walls. Room divider does not have such issues. You can keep them clean with just a simple clean cloth. No doubt the cleanup and the maintenance depends on the material utilized. but the times you spend in cleaning them it's really small. Maintenance of a room divider is hassle free. For ages, room dividers has been used to beautify our homes. There are a number of benefits of room dividers as they are not a necessity. However, having one or two at home is only more beneficial. In this video, you can see there are the beautiful wooden room dividers, or you can call the partitions. If you have any queries related to the partitions, you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, there you can see there are the lots of room partition designs are available that you will get the idea to select which is better for your house. Now in most of the modern houses you will look the wooden partitions in big house because it will enhance your interior look, and it is also the cost effective, and it can be moved from one place to another. If you want to move from living room to